मैम आप अभी हचंस रोड में हैं।
जी
यहाँ क्या ऐसा हो गया कि आपने जो अनाउंसमेंट किया है
जी
कि क्या मैटर था?
देखिए, अभी गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से
जी।
सिंस देयर वाज वन पॉजिटिव केस ऑफ कोरोना विच इज़ ऑलरेडी बीन टेकन केयर ऑफ, और उनको क्वारंटाइन भी कर दिया है, उनके फैमिली को भी क्वारंटाइन किया हुआ है. बट एज अ प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर वी वुड बी सीलिंग दिस डाउन, दिस बिल्डिंग वुड बी सील्ड डाउन. सो इसके लिए आई डिड नॉट वांट द पीपल टू हैव अ नेगेटिव ओपिनियन अबाउट दिस, एंड दैट इज़ वाई वो इन्फॉर्मेशन देने के लिए फर्स्ट हैंड हम आए थे फ्रॉम पुलकेशी नगर पुलिस स्टेशन एंड सब डिविजन, ताकि हम लोगों से बात करें एंड उनको बताएं समझाएं कि देर इज़ नथिंग फॉर देम टू बी वरिड अबाउट. एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. बिल्डिंग को सील डाउन किया गया है, बट स्टिल वी बीबीएमपी, पुलिस, मेडिकल स्टाफ, हम सब रहेंगे to take care of their essentials, and the road need not get atmosphere of fear. डर का माहौल ना पैदा हो, इसीलिए हम we came up to talk to them.
हाँ, क्योंकि अभी सुबह से ऐसा चल रहा था कि इस एरिया में और भी पॉजिटिव केस आए हैं, तो यहाँ ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है।
ऐसा कोई केस नहीं आया है, एंड बहुत लोग सोशल मीडिया पे ऐसे गलत अफवाहें फैला रहे हैं, एंड ये चीज़ है जो पहले रोका जाना चाहिए. देर इज़ नो न्यू केसेज एज सच. एनीवे कल से डॉक्टर टीम भी यहीं पे रहेंगी. दे विल मॉनिटर द सिचुएशन. उनके रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंगली रेसिडेंट्स भी हमारे साथ अच्छे से कोऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. हमारी नेबरहुड भी कोऑपरेट कर रही है. दे आर वेरी ओल्ड रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ दिस नेबरहुड, सो एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छे से जानने की वजह से दे हैव अ गुड कम्युनिटी फीलिंग. तो इसीलिए वो माहौल ऑफ फियर ना स्प्रेड हो, इसीलिए हम आके बात करें ताकि एक दूसरे के साथ दे कैन बी टुगेदर.
अभी जो आपने जो बिल्डिंग सील किया है, सिर्फ एक बिल्डिंग है जिसके उसके लोग बाहर नहीं आ सकते हैं. जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट है आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड करेंगे बाहर से.
जी
यही है ना?
बस.
और कोई भी पैनिक नहीं है?
कोई पैनिक नहीं है. रोड इज़ नॉर्मल. रोड तो एकदम नॉर्मली चलेगा. जो भी बीबीएमपी के हो, पौर कार्मिका हो, जो भी डेली एक्टिविटीज़ होती है दैट इज़ नॉर्मल. देयर इज़ नथिंग फॉर एनीबडी टू वरी अबाउट. सिर्फ ये बिल्डिंग का सील का इतना ही मतलब है कि रेसिडेंट्स बाहर ना आए, उनके सारे एसेंशियल नीड्स गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे.
और बाकी एरिया के जितने भी फ्लैट हैं वो जैसे नॉर्मल लॉकडाउन का रूल्स है उसको फॉलो करके बाहर आ जा सकते हैं.
बेशक बेशक नॉर्मल ही सारे फ्लैट, सारे रेसिडेंट्स लॉकडाउन के प्रिकॉशंस जितने हैं, अननेसेसरी बाहर ना आना, बस इतना ही प्रिकॉशन याद रखना है और कुछ नहीं.
Hutchins Road. Please understand, there is nothing for you to be scared about. That is the first information and message I want to give to all of you on Hutchins Road. There is absolutely nothing for you to get scared about. It is a normal time. Just that Corona has hit us. Apart from that, there is nothing for you to worry about. We are not here to do any kind of a. We are only taking steps towards precaution. There is nothing for you to be worried. First step, stop getting scared. Second, instruction and an appeal, stop spreading any kind of rumors on WhatsApps, because you guys are a good community, a close-knit community on WhatsApp. Please don't spread fear messages and other messages on social media, on WhatsApp, because this will end up creating an atmosphere of fear which we do not need. What we need is an atmosphere of information and responsible behavior. And I understand that since all of you come from a very good background, you will act responsible and be in good coordination with us. Okay, so what has happened over here? Nothing. There was one person who happened to have a corona positive. He has very responsibly gone up and quarantined himself, taken the necessary precautions, and now is under the care of the government. And his family also are under the care of the government. Nothing to worry about. Today, as a precautionary measure, we are getting a quarantine done for the building, seal down for the building. We are doing a seal down for the building only. That means your entire road is just the way it was yesterday, and tomorrow it is going to be same. So what I am trying to tell you is, the entire road remains the same. You do not have to worry. Tomorrow onwards, from the BBMP side, from the health department side, there will be one small stall over here, and all the needs of the Hutchins Manor residents will be taken care of by them. They will give you a number, they will share all the contact numbers with you, and whatever you need, ration, medical care, absolutely anything, you can inform the BBMP and they will bring it to your doorstep and provide it to you. There is nothing for you to be worried about, and you can inform the same to your family members as well and other relatives as well. Building sealed down just means that your movement outside is restricted, but everything will be provided to you as per your convenience. So don't have to worry. And what does that mean to the entire locality? It means that your entire activities will be the same as they were before. So please don't have to target any building or don't have to target any residents. They are very responsibly following and cooperating with us, and the government, that's a very big help that they are doing. Please actually appreciate their efforts. Second, the entire road is the way it was. Even yesterday, even today, and tomorrow it will continue to be the same. One side of it we have blocked, one side of it remains a passage is there for you to go, simply because we want to restrict movement on roads. Not only on this road and many other roads in Bangalore city, we have restricted movement because public is moving around a lot. And this restriction will only help you that others don't come into your road as well. So please cooperate. Not that only because of this building we are doing something. No, the concealment is restricted only to the apartment and there is no effect. It has absolutely no effect on you guys. So there is nothing to be scared about. Please behave normally, even with them, even with us. Your road is safe. This is only as an extra precaution. Anybody has any kind of questions, doubt, please shout out. Anybody? I'm assuming everybody is good as of now. That's a good sign. That's a positive sign. Please remain positive like this and come together as a community, because I know Hutchins Road people are very loving and it's a very beautiful group you have. Don't let Corona be a reason for you to isolate each other. Please don't do that. Be together. Yeah. That is the message you're going to spread, and promise me I will not have somebody getting scared in this road. We are here for you. Anytime you need, we will be there. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.